The Your Phone is not registered on network error on Mint Mobile means your phone isn't connecting to Mint's network. Mint Mobile is a mobile virtual network operator that uses T-Mobile's infrastructure, so network issues on their end can trigger this error. This is commonly due to incorrect APN settings. APN, or access point name, acts as the gateway for your phone to access mobile data. Or issues with IMS settings. IMS, or IP Multimedia Subsystem, is crucial for modern services like VoLTE for calls over 4G LTE and Wi-Fi calling. This issue is more prevalent with eSIMs, where automatic configuration sometimes fails, as well as on Android devices from manufacturers like Samsung and Google. Issues on T-Mobile's end, especially with the rollout of standalone 5G, can also trigger this error. The rise of eSIM adoption with Mint has correlated with a rise in APN and IMS errors. To resolve the phone not registered error, first manually check and correct your APN settings. For Mint Mobile, the correct APN is wholesale. Key settings include APN wholesale and wholesale.mmsmvno.com/mms/wapenc and MMS proxy 26.155.15.558u. You can usually find APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names on Android. Next, ensure VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling are enabled. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks. On iOS, check Cellular Data Options. If using an eSIM, try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset the network connection. In some cases, a temporary switch to T-Mobile's default APN fast.tmobile.com and back can resolve underlying IMS server glitches. If problems persist, reach out to Mint Mobile support.